Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Synology DS1821 NAS owners. The NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit. This kit comes with two 16GB sticks running at 2666 MHz with a PC4-21300 rating, operating at a cool 1.2V and CL19 latency. For those unfamiliar, ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is a big deal for NAS devices. It helps prevent data corruption, ensuring the integrity of your files, which is paramount when you're storing important documents, photos, or videos. The NEMIX RAM kit is specifically designed for compatibility with the Synology DS1821 taking the guesswork out of the upgrade process. Installation is generally straightforward. Most users should be able to handle it themselves in just a few minutes. However, always refer to your NAS's owner's manual for specific instructions. Why upgrade your NAS memory? The most significant benefit is a noticeable boost in overall performance. A RAM upgrade is one of the most cost-effective ways to speed up your NAS, especially when dealing with multiple users, large files, or demanding applications like virtualization or video transcoding. More RAM allows your NAS to handle more concurrent tasks and cache frequently accessed data, reducing bottlenecks and improving responsiveness. NEMIX RAM stands behind its product with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory modules. They also offer top-tier support, which is reassuring if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. With NEMIX RAM, users can install it and forget about it, knowing their data is in safe hands.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.